Hi, my name's Tasha. I'm a Shopify dev. I've been using Shopify since 2014, so I'm here to give you some information. This tutorial is a brief overview of Shopify. This is your introduction to Shopify, what it is, and if it's a good choice for you to use. So this is a basic outline course which provides an overview of Shopify. It's a leading e-commerce platform. You can explore the key features and learn how to set up an online store and understand tools available for managing and growing your business. And I'll have a link below in this YouTube video if you want to keep this as a reference for Shopify, learning more about it. What is Shopify? Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create their own online store efficiently, provides user-friendly interface, enabling users without technical expertise to customize their websites with the help of various templates and tools. Shopify supports a wide range of functionalities, including secure payment processing, order tracking, inventory management, and it also integrates with numerous third-party applications to enhance store operations. Additionally, Shopify offers various plans catering to different business sizes, ensuring scalability, flexibility for its merchants. Who is Shopify for? Are you a startup business? Are you a mom and pop shop? Are you a pop-up shop that has events in a flea market every other weekend? Do you sell retail and e-commerce? Are you in retail and e-commerce space? Do you do drop shipping? Do you sell digital projects as is ebooks, NFTs, audios, maybe music, anything that's a digital download? Are you able to does your business have print on demand, like you make t-shirts with graphic tees on them, or you create mugs and send them out by a third party like Printful or a printing company? Do you create courses? You can actually use Shopify to create courses and sell them. Do you have a business service like plumbing, lawyer, doctor, any expertise services that you're selling on there? Web development, freelancer, you can use your business service on here for Shopify. If you're even a social media influencer, I should put that on there. You can use Shopify. What are the key features of Shopify? The key features that people love using Shopify is the user interface. The user interface is really simple and easy to use. There's a lot of steps to step through each feature of the Shopify e-commerce platform. When you log in, the interface is designed to be user-friendly for people who do not have technical skills. It's straightforward. The dashboard allows you to manage products, orders, customer data with ease, and they have a theme that allows you to do a drag and drop builder for creating an online store, and it lets merchants focus on the business strategy rather than web development. Shopify has customizable themes. They have a option there like a widget called Customizer where you can easily use the components that are available on your theme for creating sliders, banners, product pages, regular pages that can be incorporated. So you don't have to do a lot of HTML and CSS or coding for a developer. But if you do want customization, you can hire a developer that has HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make enhancements to your theme for custom functionality. But if you're just starting off, it's easy to maintain. You're able to use the theme and make modifications without doing any code changes. Shopify has a secure payment processing that's included with it. There's a gateway in its platform. There's also a percent that changes whenever you do a transaction. There's a percent charge for each tier plan that you're on. Shopify make sure that the transactions that you're having and processing from merchants to customers are very safe. Provides multiple payment methods, including credit cards, digital wallets, enabling users to create various customer preferences, enhance their shopping experience. So your customers can go in there, log in, create an account, store their payment method for easy payments. You can use Affirm that allows different payment plan options if you use the Affirm app. You can also use PayPal for a payment method. You can use Stripe. You can use the Shopify payment method. There's a certain time frame for each payout, but it has something integrated with it, and then it has also Apple Pay where you can extend different methods of credit card processing to collect your payments for your products. Shopify has built-in SEO features per page to increase your visibility in search engine results. There's editing of edit tags, meta descriptions, product details, and then optimizing website better for search ranking and driving organic traffic to the store. So it has a base level of SEO optimization, but if you want to get a Shopify SEO Pro to do SEO to get you at the top of the page, that takes more extensive work, but it has the basic needs of SEO tools to get you started to use Shopify. Shopify also has a POS system. So if you have an event or you have a mom and pop shop or a shop that pops up at a flea market, you can purchase a POS system to tie into your Shopify e-commerce platform to process customer data, process orders, send them out, and collect payment methods. You can create an order right on the POS system that ties into your Shopify store, collect that data, the credit card information, the customer data information, so you can remarket to them in the future, and then send and ship your product out. It ties it just to a physical store, and then you have your digital store, your e-commerce store. Setting up your online store with Shopify is easy. Basically, all you need is an email. You go to Shopify page to create an account, and you set up a Shopify plan that fits your business needs. And you'll just provide basic information, setting the ground up for your business information for your online presence. And then you create an account using your email for your account. You set up all your general business information, and then you start with the steps to create and add your first product and select the theme. Basically, you go and you start and select a theme. You choose a theme from Shopify store, which could be done, or you could purchase a theme. You can customize it using its drag and drop editor to meet your business requirements, ensuring mobile responsiveness and engaging design. You can add products. Shopify has a detailed dashboard that explains how to add a product, and it will walk you through the steps of adding the information for your product data. Images, colors, sizes, variants of different versions of your product, and you want to organize your product into collections and categories for user navigation to make it easier for your customers to find what they need. Shopify has a configure. You have to go to the next step and configure a payment and shipping. They have shipping rates that you need to set up for your location, which is like if you ship from the USA or if you're worldwide, or if you're doing drop shipping, you can ship from different countries. But basically, the shipping location is where the products come from. You can do it from your main store location. You can configure your payment methods and set up PayPal, credit cards, and also delivery strategy to make sure that after a customer purchases, you have a great fulfillment process. How to get started with Shopify. If everything in this list matches with what you want to do with Shopify, you can go to tinyurl.com, Shopify Builder, start with your email, and build your store today. And this is a quick video of how to add your first product in Shopify, going through the steps for the Shopify Builder. Managing your store. So here are some key tips for how to manage your store. You want to basically regularly update product listings and prices to reflect current offerings. You want to make sure your products match what they're worth. Also, you want to track inventory, and you want to make sure that your products that are on sale are actually on sale, and making sure all your products that show on your site reflect your current offerings. You want to use Shopify Analytics to monitor sales and customer behavior for better insights. You need the analytics to see who your customers are, why they're buying, where they're buying from, to see if your promotions are tracking, if you're advertising on Facebook, Instagram, and social media. And it's just a quick install to see where those analytics are coming from when you do those promotions. You can offer discount codes, promotions to boost sales to attract new customers. So usually when you launch a site, you'll have like 25% off. You'll have a discount code that customers can use at checkout to basically get that discount provided on whatever product they're buying. You want to ensure smooth order processing by managing and tracking order fulfillment daily. This includes taking account of inventory if you manage your own products, or checking on inventory so you don't sell out or have customers pay for products and get tons of complaints because they haven't received their order because it's on backfill. So you want to have a good operational task to go through Shopify and have your tracking and order fulfillment ready. That includes sending tracking codes out once an order is shipped, and then also making sure that the order has been sent sent through shipping to the customer that they received it and it's been fulfilled. So there's a whole customer process for managing orders and tracking the order and fulfillment in the Shopify dashboard. Provide responsive customer support and address inquiries and solve issues quickly. Customers, once they purchase a product, they're looking for tracking information, they're looking for emails and follow up to know that they get their product on time to guarantee satisfaction. So you want to make sure that you're using your Shopify store to give your customer base satisfaction that they're happy buying the product from you and that they will come back from you. And then how you solve these issues with the customer support will guarantee them to come back in the future to purchase from you. On the back end, you want to perform regular routine backups of the store data to prevent losses and maintain continuability. So you want to make sure that you're doing backups. So if you have a theme, you have a backup theme with the back date that you could always refer to if something happens. You want to have backups of the store data. There's third-party apps where you can do a Shopify backup once a month. You want to have a backup regularly. So if anything happens, just to prevent loss. Now, this is a quiz that you can take to get started with Shopify, to test your knowledge of Shopify and what you already know. If you already know Shopify, feel free to get started and take this test. If you are interested, you can go through and answer the questions on this test. I'm going to pass it. Now, after you take the quiz, feel free to start. You can try the Shopify Builder by going to tinyurl.com, Shopify Builder. This will take you to the steps and that I showed previously in the video on how to go through Shopify. How was your course experience? Let me know. Either give me a sad face or a smiley face. I would appreciate it. Feel free to donate to my Cash Apps called Invest and Dream, PayPal.com. You can also send me a donate. Buy me a cup of coffee or something like that. For what it took me to put this together. Also, if you need a Shopify developer, you can contact me at tashadev.com. And thank you so much for your time. I hope you love this. There'll be links in below that you can contact me or get more information about Shopify.